Now on the side, we could add something because it looks very boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cube and I'll lower it on the Z, scale it down overall, then scale it up a touch. Now I'm going to slightly rotate this on the Y, something like this. Then we'll scale this down on the local X. Bring it out a little, then push this in. I think it's in a better position now. So go to the edge mode, select these two edges, scale this on the Y to form an interesting shape like this. Now in object mode, select the both mesh and run a union boolean. Let's select both these edges, then the bottom two. Now run a bevel to give it a nice radius. Wait, I think it could go even deeper, so that would be better. So let's actually undo all the steps and move this on the local Z. Then we perform a union boolean. Now in edge mode, select all these edges, then run a bevel. Now grab all the surrounding edges and also run a bevel. To fix the shading, I'll select this edge with alt-click, then run a bevel. That should give it a nice blending effect. Now we also select this edge with alt-click and bevel this as well. Now you are ready to mirror this to the left side. Let's apply the bevel. Then we need to fix the modifier order. Then also make sure to enable the keep shop to fix the shading issues. Now go to face mode, select this face, then let's run a chamfer, a very small one. That gives it a nice highlight on the piece.